No sound. No sound. Damn it. I told you guys all my secrets. You didn't hear the secrets? I told you all the secrets. You didn't hear it? Oh, too late now. Wow. You guys really missed out. Y'all really messed out. Mike check, Mike checky. Looking at the book map right now, liquidity wise, there's a bunch of liquidity to the upside there at the 19,300s. Look at all of that liquidity sitting up there. Interesting. That 50 liquidity, 60 right there. All that liquidity there at the 19,300s. I think she wants to go. We had the little 1 minute breakout there as well off of that pivot point. Little classic Patrick Wieland setup here that we talk about in the course. Look at that thing. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Took a little trade there long for a little scalp here from the 45s up there into the 60s. Just put some green on the board. Put some green on the board, get the day started. Can't pass up on an entry like that. Can't pass up on an entry like that. So, that 19,300. 19,300 up there. We'll see how she plays. I normally try to wait like 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes after the news comes out before putting a trade on. Just so that we don't have to worry about like breaking any rules with the prop firms. Maybe 5 minutes might be your best bet. All this liquidity up there, 19,300. If I was a betting man, I'd say we're gonna see that 19,300 level. What do you guys think? If I was a betting man, she's heading there, heading there, heading there. 90s there next, and then 300, 134 contracts to the upside. The Nasdaq making this move. Lordy, lordy, I could still be longy, but I'm sitting here flat right now. Should have had more faith in that move. Should have had more faith in that move. Seeing that it was pre-market, I didn't want to get too greedy, but you can see the entry there at the 45s. That would have been a nice push. Now up there into the 90s, so. Best part, it never even came back close to my entry. Well, whoopsies. Still going, though. On the book map, all that liquidity up there, 19,300, sitting there, waiting. Watching. Will the market go there? Will she go? I'm dying. I'm excited because I'm going fishing later on today. Going fishing. Little afternoon fishing trip. We're gonna sneak out once the trading's done here. And My girlfriend just sent me a screenshot of her trades this morning. She it says average trade time 11 seconds. I was like, hold it a little bit longer, honey. I guess maybe I wonder. Wait. I can see. Let's see who had a longer hold time today. Patrick Wieland or my girlfriend? Oh, buddy. We had a longer trade. We had a longer hold time. 36 seconds for me. What can I say? I can hold longer. I can hold longer. Oh, it's still going. There's the move. Up there through the 300s now. The Nasdaq. Lordy, Lord. Look at that move, people. Look at this move. This is a textbook Patrick Wieland fucking setup right here. The breakout, getting above that previous high, and then that push up there. 19,300s now. That's a 60-point move. $200. I made $600 on a 10-point move. That's a 40-point move. $200 to get into it. Amazing ROI. Amazing ROI. Rip shorted? Oh, no, he did not. Do not tell me that Rip shorted. Don't you tell... I'm gonna die if he did. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm an island boy, so live my life. Rip shorted and it went higher. Classic. Why would you short that move? Looks like he shorted at 280 there. Silly. Don't fight the trend, people. Don't fight the trend. Be one with the trend, not against the trend. Bad traders fight the trend. Good traders ride the trend. You know? Maybe it pulls back here now, but trying to short at this 80 level, like why? What's the point? Rips up 20 points from there. Wait for there to be a short entry. You know, wait for that bear flag setup. Don't go short in the bull flag breakout. We over here just winning. Like I said, up there to the 19,300s. Beautiful little move here. A lot of strength out of the Nasdaq now. Sitting right below that 19,300 level here. I would like some type of pullback going into open here. We still got plenty of time. It's only 8:41 this morning, baby. But we might just keep getting this grind higher for now on this low volume. We'll have to see what happens at open here. They're holding that 290 level. The ES is showing a lot of strength. The Dow is showing a lot of strength across the board right now, so the bears are losing for now. Look at how tight this price action is getting. There's a big move to come. Big move coming. Watch this thing. About to be a fucking 30-point candle. 30-point candle. I don't know which way though. Up or down? Up or down? Which way? Oh my God. I wouldn't want to be in that trade right now. I don't want to be in that trade. The FOMO inside of me tells me that we're gonna squeeze higher. But I don't know if that's a good enough indicator, because that might be a bad thing. I'd be like, that's some like FOMO right here if I get in long. But if it rips up 30 points, oh Lord, I'll have to just live with it for now. I mean, it's setting up. It's just hard to get long right there. It's just like, it really hasn't done any type of pullback here. We need more pullback. The dollar also going straight up right now, which is weird. Everything's just going straight up. Dollar and the markets right now. Going higher. I didn't miss the first two pullbacks. What are you talking about? I took the first pullback. Long from the 45s, pushing up there into the 60s. FOMO. All right, dollar finally pulling back here a little bit. If the dollar starts crashing back down, I think Nasdaq will rip up here through the 19,300s again. Nasdaq just holding here. If they run that 19,300 area, get up through there, take this liquidity there higher, so we'll see. And they took it, like I said, up there through the 320s. Or there's your almost, I said 30-point move coming. It went to a high of 12. Look at that thing. Well, I guess there's no reason to be shorting this. Not sure why anyone would be shorting this. Why would you do that? Do people like to lose? I think people like to lose. There's people out there in the world, it's like the dominatrix thing, you know? They like to be manhandled by the market. What's the best way to get fucked over by the market? By trying to fucking pick the top or pick the bottom. Guaranteed. You want to lose, buddy? Best way to do it. Look at this rip now. There's your 30 points. There's your 30 points to the upside now, just like I said. That 19,300 breakout up there into the 20s now from the 90 break. Look at that. Just look at it, would ya? There's a pivot point up there, 19,360 to the upside. Right now, it's 847. I feel like the market's already open. Way this thing's been moving right now. Feel like it's already open. Book map, please. There's your book map, please. All right, we look at the bigger picture here. What do we got going on to the left here? Hourly, look at that hourly breakout. I think there's no reason we can't push up into this 19,400 level. $19,437. If we look on the chart, this is that kind of key level, 19,500 back there Thursday of last week. So kind of like a round trip right now. And look at this move so far this week. Recovering. We've just been pushing higher. The hourly chart, clearly market wanting to go higher here. So we'll have to let this kind of play out here now. 4-hour chart, everything very bullish momentum here. Got this area here, 19,668. That's Thursday of last week's high. So big old move here. Still very early in the morning. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Look at this thing still going up there to the 340s. We just talked about this move happening, a 30-point move to the upside. There's your 50 points now. There's your 50 points now. Come on. Are you not impressed? Look at this thing. Head into that pivot point there. 360 now. This is all textbook Patrick Wieland. Patrick Wieland concepts right here, my friend. Look at this thing. Tapping that 360 pivot for now, and right back down. 370 the high on that candle. What's up with the dollar moving in the same direction? Hey, I don't, you know, I don't make the rules. I just trade it. I don't make the rules. I just trade. Nice little rejection there so far. I would reckon we get some type of pullback here still. But this market showing a lot of strength right now. Got some big sellers popping up there at the 40 area for now. That big seller at the 47's holding it down for now. Krug Sailing just passed 3 evaluations. My guy, let's go. The best part about my course is the strategy that I trade is very, very conducive. Very, it really is like set up for prop firms and evals and all that stuff. So the breakout strategy helps with the drawdown, especially with Apex and all that. You know, you're basically entering trades trying to mitigate any type of drawdown with those breakout setups. So T-Dog, he's up $2,000. Done for the day. Let's go. Feeling like we're due for a little pullback here, but I think, you know, back into this pivot down here, 19,230 area would be juicy. That'd be a juicy pullback. Back into the middle of that big data candle that came out there at 8:30. We'll see. Yeah, it's hopefully like a pullback there, kind of. I don't know, that's a pretty big pullback, to be honest, but we'll see. It would be nice, yeah, get that pullback into that previous area of resistance and then send it higher from there. Bigger time frame. You can see this big old pop up right now. The bulls controlling this momentum to the upside there. We broke out through the overnight high. Went straight up. And so, see what happens. Patience, patience, patience. If you guys want to learn more about the course, right now it's $199. Next Wednesday, I'm doing a 3-hour webinar at 9 a.m. next Wednesday for everybody that buys the course this week. You buy the course, you get access to the webinar for free. Bang, bang, bang. We're going to be here doing it. So let's go. At 340, seller popping up there once again on the book map here. 63 contracts right there. He just got taken out. Buyer stepping up there again. Then that seller. Oh, he's back. More selling pressure there at the 40s again. I think he just switched or something there. They playing games with it. Playing games with it here. Stop playing games with my heart. With my heart. With my heart. That's the Nasdaq sometimes. You gotta, she'd be playing games. She'd be playing games with your heart sometimes, I swear. You know, you're like, come on, Nasdaq, let's just be friends. Can we just, you know, I buy low, I'll sell high, everybody be happy? Come on, Nasdaq, let's just be friends. And no, the Nasdaq's like, yeah, right, hold my beer. Hold my beer, watch this. I got you, buddy. Got the VWAP down there. We'll see if we get one of these kind of little setups. Might not be exact, but I feel like that would be a real kind of great opportunity for some longs. We'll see. I don't know. Another 100 points to the upside with no pullback? Oh, man. Luckily for me, either way, I can just sit back, I can be patient, I can wait. What cars do you have? I got no cars. Just got a green screen behind me here. It's not real. It's just a big screen. AI. It's AI generated. All right, Nasdaq looking for this pullback here, just nice and easy. No rush. It's only 9 a.m. baby. Big news this morning. The market going higher. How high can we go? The $1 million question, I guess. We'll see what happens. See what happens here. Is the clock moved or is this pre-market? This is pre-market. Could it be possible that that was the move of the day and now it's over? I doubt it. I doubt it. I doubt that. I think there'll be more moves to come. More news to come, baby. It's just the beginning. Just the beginning. Ding 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 ding. Yeah, and we got more news coming out. We got 9:15 news. We got 10 o'clock news. Yeah. Nah, we going up. I mean, I don't know we going up, but we gonna be making some moves today. Gonna be some volatility, baby. Gonna be some volatility. But Patrick, can you please just say when you enter and exit? Well, if you buy the course for $199, you'll know exactly when I exit or exactly when I enter by just looking at the chart. You know, I won't even have to tell you. But you could just be a brokey and just keep on asking. These like, another pullback here, very shallow pullback, and still just like ripping up there again. I don't love these pullbacks. Missed out on this pullback earlier, but like now it's like, pivot point there at the 60s now. Still going through the 50s again. Son of a gun. You try to play it safe, you know, and you're like, oh, I'll play it safe here. I won't enter this. And then it just keeps going higher and higher. My first entry this morning off that 240 break. That's over 100 points now. You gotta know when to hold them, when to fold them. Today, clearly, not the day to fold them. Today was the day to hold them. FOMO, whoa, whoa, FOMO, momo. The FOMO, momo. Sneaky Venom said that gaps love to get filled. I'm wearing the wrong shirt today. We'll find out. We will be opening up with a sizable gap here. If you look at the chart, the close from yesterday, pretty much 19,100s. I feel like that's a very... I don't think we're gonna fill that gap today. I might be totally wrong, but the fact that we broke out here and everything, I don't know. We consolidated here Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We broke out of this range now. I would think we get some continuation here today, kind of for the breakout, but we'll see what happens. Patrick, we did a survey on YouTube day traders, and you fall in the top 3 of the most honest day traders on YouTube. Oh, God. All I do is lie all day, every day. I tricked you guys. Ha ha! Danny Trades told everybody that I get long when I tell everyone to get short. I'm using my chat as liquidity. All of the people trading in their simulated accounts, moving all that market liquidity. Y'all gotta stop moving so much market liquidity, all right? We're moving too much. The market makers they're gonna find us. How many people here trade real money versus simulated or sim funded, I guess? Real account versus prop firm. I'm interested to find out. Real or a prop firm, which one? Kevin McDonald said that Alpine Trader said I was the hardest working in the space. I mean, if that ain't the truth, I don't know what is. That's the truest statement I have ever heard. What is, we got 9:15 numbers coming out here. 9:15 numbers. All right, so looking at the poll, looks like 68% of the people watching trade a prop firm account, so they have no impact on the market. And then the other 32% are trading real, so. Somebody should start a Patrick Wieland, like a PWC, Patrick Wieland Concepts YouTube channel where you talk about Patrick Wieland concepts. Like, that would be pretty funny, actually. I gotta get that big. I gotta grow my channel to the point where people start making smaller channels to talk about my channel. You know, like to talk about my strategy. Today we're here to talk about the PWC. Patrick Wieland Concepts. Open your mind, open your mind, open your mind to the idea that there is something greater out there. The algorithm rules all. Whenever we put our little yellow line on the chart, the market's gonna make a move. Dun dun dun. All right, starting to move down here. There's that move back down. Like I said, expecting some type of pullback here. Stuck there below the pivot for now. I would love to like fucking get a rip down there, you know? Give you a little quick rip and then a rip back up. Jeremiah, please go into the market. I'm gonna put a post in Market Flow Trader community later on today for everybody who has not gotten the email. Everybody that was signed up for the MFT lifetime membership should have received the email. We sent out 1,200 emails yesterday to everybody, so. Bow, bow, bow. Bow, bow, bow. What do I think about buying gold long term? Not really a big fan of it, to be honest, but I think there's better long-term investments than gold. Like bullets. Get you some bullets, boy. Buy a couple thousand rounds of AR-15 bullets. Put them in the closet. Keep them for 20, 30 years. You'll be rich one day. I remember during COVID, I sold a bunch of ammo. I had a bunch of ammo stockpiled up before COVID. And I sold a lot of it for double what I paid. 9mm. All you need to buy is 9mm and 5.5. What is it? 5.61. 5.561. Yeah, I think it's 5.561. AR-15 ammo. Or 223, but I think the 5.561 is better. 5.56. Yeah, 5.561. 5.561. 5.56. Why do I get the 1 from? 5.561. 5.56. They got the monkey butt coming. I mean the monkeypox. Monkeypox coming. Oh God, y'all see that? World Health Organization just declared a world notice that monkeypox is fucking coming. That's gonna be fun. I saw a video already that Kamala Harris is wearing a mask again. And also I saw yesterday they posted that supposedly hackers hacked into the Social Security database and got like 2.8 billion social security numbers for people. So that's great. That's got to be good news, right? 2.8 billion social security numbers leaked out. That'll really help Kamala Harris's election. I swear the tweet, where's that tweet at? I swear it must have been 2.8 billion. Sorry, 2.8 billion. I don't, you're right. I don't, it was not 2.8 billion. 2.8 billion. Not. Wait, no, it does say that. It says hackers may have stolen the social security numbers of every American from national public data, around 2.9 billion records. It doesn't say social security numbers, but it just says they stole 2.9 billion records. That was the LA Times. Yeah. Literally, it says hackers may have stolen the social security numbers of every American. Oh, God. You gotta love it. Get ready, baby. Kamala Harris is gonna win. She's gonna get more votes than the total population of America. It'll be election night and they're gonna be like, Kamala Harris wins with 301 million votes. The first person to ever get, for the first person to ever get 2.9 billion votes. All right, Nasdaq just kind of pulling back here for now. I like this pullback. We want to get, you know, get back down into here a little bit. Put in a nice higher low. You know, let's put a nice little higher low down in here. 5-minute chart, totally fine. Kind of pull back 19,300 for like a shallow pullback. And if we really get that pullback, we'll get down there, that 230 area. Got the VWAP down there at 220s now, so. We'll see what happens. What do you have against her? Focus on trading, dude. What do I have against Kamala Harris? I got nothing against her. I just don't think she'd be a very good president. That's all. It's not personal. She's just a moron. And I don't know who the fuck voted for her. I mean, I think even the Democrats could agree that if Kamala Harris had to go through the actual primary process, I don't think she would have been a front runner as a presidential candidate. You know? So that's what you gotta ask yourself. So is the convicted felon smarter? I mean, let's be honest. What's Trump convicted of? Hush money? Paying a fucking porn star to not talk about what? I mean, like, sounds like I mean, hey, I'm not condoning it, but at the same time, it's like, is it like that? Is he that bad of a person? You think he's the only person? You think fucking Donald Trump's the only person ever to pay someone to not talk shit? I don't know, man. I think the whole thing about going after Trump is like, all those politicians do shady shit. All these rich people are doing shady shit. You don't become a fucking billionaire. You don't become a multi-millionaire by not doing shady shit. And that's a fact. You got to do something. You're skirting the line somewhere. Somewhere in your business, you got to figure out a way to play the game, to beat the game. And they're all doing it. Everybody's doing it some way or another. Also, a little update from the team. If you have not gotten the email for the new course for MFT members, make sure you check the email that you signed up for MFT with. If you bought Market Flow Trader, make sure you check that email. Check your spam, check your junk. We sent out over 1,200 emails yesterday, so make sure you're checking the email that you originally purchased Market Flow Trader with. All right, because that's where the email is going to. It's not just going to your, whatever fucking email you think you have. Name the last Republican president that left us with the economy that wasn't a debt and deficit. I mean, you're preaching to the choir. I don't think Trump or Kamala Harris are the best options. I don't think the government in general does a very good job of fucking budgeting. They spend money on stupid ass shit that nobody needs. And then they send all of our money off to other countries. So, like, what about me? I need some money. Patrick needs some government assistance. I need some student aid. Pay my student loans. I don't have any student loans, but I would gladly go get some if I could. I'm gonna go get a loan for a student loan because I'm out here just educating myself every day, and then the government's gonna pay for it. That'd be pretty good, wouldn't it? Get a loan for a Lambo, call it a student loan. My Lambo is I'm learning how to drive. The Lambo's part of my education, so I need a loan to buy the Lambo. Right now, going into open, we've got this setup here. Big move up after the numbers came out. I would like to see some type of pullback, a big kind of drop down and then a pop right back up. Let's put in a higher low in this area and then see what happens. It's hard to get long up here when there hasn't really been a pullback to kind of retest this area from earlier. So we'll see what happens. Like always, just staying alive. If we get up here and we get above that 340 level, they'll probably try to run it up there. Maybe 380s or again, try to take out this high. So you kind of got to play it with whatever risk you want to put in, I guess. I feel like we at least are going to see that 19,300 level on the book map right now. 19,300 down there, 125 contracts. So if we can get that drop, bang, hit that 19,300 level and then pop it right back up, that'd be a very kind of bullish type of setup. So let's see what happens. Right now, the dollar's pulling back. The ES, everybody pulling back here into open. We got a little bit less than 8 minutes till market opens. Would love to see what happens. Catherine Alders, this conversation is making me nauseous. Uh-oh, Catherine. Catherine having to have a adult conversation makes her upset. Oh no. Patrick, don't stop talking. Don't. I'm sick. God. People will be funny. There'll be some funny people out there. Wait. The fact that her name was Catherine too. Such a Karen name. I feel like Catherine is such a Karen name. Catherine. Apologies, Catherine, for making you nauseous. I hope that you didn't throw up on your keyboard. I'll try to avoid making you nauseous from here on out. Blah! Blah! Oh, my belly button's showing. It can't be showing my belly button for free on YouTube. Can't be showing my belly button for free on YouTube. All you little weirdos out there taking screenshots. Oh, gosh. Let's go, Greg. The market moves in waves. You know what's up. Greg knows what's up. Greg. All right. We got 6 minutes till the market opens. We got went live at 8:30. I feel like I've been on here for an hour now, because I've almost been on here for an hour. There's a bunch of liquidity down there at the 19,300 level, right? A lot of liquidity sitting down there, 120 contracts. I feel like that's got to get tested. So. David Shields says that he thinks the market will go up and down. Wait. You think it's going to go up first and then down? Or you think it's going to go down, then up? Or like, is it going to go up, then down? Or down, then up, then down? That's what we got to figure out. Let's figure it out, chat. Which way we going first? Up or down? Up or down at open? Starting the poll in the chat. All right. Like, if we can get, like, you know, a straight down move and then that rip straight back up, that'll be a very powerful move. So that would be, like, you know, ideal for the bulls here, just to kind of drop this down and then just rip it right back up. So we'll see what happens. Big move up here. You can see on the 15-minute chart, we are bull flagging, but just want to get that little pullback there. So right now the poll is 55% of you think it's going to go up. 44% think you're going to go down. Well, if you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. We need 500 likes here on the stream to get this party started. Come on now. You know how we do it. You know how we do it. All right. 3 minutes till market open. A little less than 3 minutes here. Which way we gonna go? Cotton Eye Joe. Nasdaq already pushing up here again. That pivot point there at the 360s. We talked about kind of some upside targets, you know, way up there. When you look at the bigger picture here, there's really, like, there's not a lot of stuff going on. You know, really 19,500, 19,700 level up there. So it's kind of like big boater candle. Maybe we get some kind of consolidation here in the 400 area, and then we get one more continuation up there to the 19,500. So we had a lot of numbers come out this morning. Got a little bit more numbers later on today. The market right now, you can see here on the 4-hour chart, clearly kind of just wanting to push higher. So putting in those higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. And again today, kind of breaking out there after consolidating at this level for the last few days. So let's see how the market reacts once we get the volume to come in here. Well, let's see. Less than 2 minutes. Les Davey, I love your new course. Let's go. Less than a minute till market opens. Right now, the Nasdaq pushing straight back up there to that pivot point, 360 area. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lordy. Good day to be patient, my friends. Good day to be patient. Terry, we'll send out an invite for everybody for the webinar probably next week, Tuesday. So next Wednesday, we got a big webinar going down, 3 hours from 9 a.m. till 12, just breaking down everything in the course and answering questions and doing everything live and all that fun stuff. So here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The market is open for business. There's a bunch of liquidity up there, 19,400. Market's ready to party here. Good time to be patient. All that liquidity to the upside up there. That 19,300 order is still sitting down there on the book map, so we got that big order down there. Oh, look at that. Getting denied up there at the 60s. Still just no real decent pullback here yet. No decent pullback yet. Still going through the highs now. Nice little sell straight back down here now. All that liquidity down there, 19,300s. Market just holding up here, right below that pivot at the 60s. If they sell through the 40s, should start to really dump through there. Testing that 40 area, 340s there. Very tight price action, holding on there again at the 40s. Again, back up. Market back below the 60s again. We take out that 50 level. Let's see what happens. Still just very tight sitting here now, not really going anywhere. Looking for that 50 breakthrough. We're watching that 40. If we take out that 40 strong, we should sell straight down, so. Market's still just holding on there at the 40s. Now they're gonna try to run that straight up there again. There she goes. Pushing out that 60 area again. Breaking out to the upside, that 19,400 liquidity up there. Nasdaq very tight right here. They take out that 19,400 level. Just keep on grinding it higher here. No pullbacks. Just the bulls are just keep continuing to step in here. Another breakout to the upside there. That 19,400 area wanting to get taken out. Just sitting back, waiting. Everybody in the chat who's freaking out right now about what to do, just relax. The trade is coming. Everybody asking what to do. You're just freaking out over nothing. The market has literally been open for 10 minutes. Relax. God. Just waiting. 15-minute range coming up here in a minute. We'll have a better idea. Right now, this pullback, I just don't trust this momentum to the upside right here. If, you know, like every time we push up, we just like get these little pull. I don't like it. I think we're gonna pull back here at some point. So, just trying to stay alive until that right opportunity comes along. The 19,300 buyer still sitting down there. So yes, still alive, still there. Again, bouncing off that pivot point there, 360 area. We got some little bit of news coming out at 10 o'clock here. Nasdaq still just very much stuck here, chopping around. Got your 15-minute range breakout potential here. That 400 level kind of lines up perfectly with that. So holding that pivot point there at the 359s. Very aggressive buying coming in there again. They're messing around with that 400 level there on the book map. Some orders, doing some funny stuff with the orders right here. To get above this 90 level, should break right through the 400s there next. That little seller was sitting there holding it down. See if he pops back up. Gotta break 90 here for the bulls. In trouble. See, right back down there again, 360s. Still just holding up here, man. This thing is tight, tight, tight right now. If we take out that 400 level, well, she wants to go higher, so. Just playing it safe right now. Buyers, again, aggressively coming in there. If we get through that 90 level, I think we squeeze up through the 400s pretty quickly. Watch that 90 area here. Up there through the 90s. I want to get that push straight up there. Next coming up is going to be that 10 level. Big seller still sitting there at the 400s. 300 contracts just traded right there. Look at that thing. Someone said, not today, boys. Tapping 400 there again. Be the push. Be the push. Be the push that you want to be, market. 400 got a break. Sellers trying to move out of there. 350, they're still selling. 400, look at them tapping. 500, what the fuck? Get them out of there. Someone's selling through the 400. This thing is gonna fucking skyrocket. Look at that pressure. Buyers just continuously attacking. Buyers attacking the 400s here. Do we get the straight up squeeze after this break? Oh my, 675 again. 700, 800 contracts. Look at the volume on this thing, people. Oh my, 1,000 contracts traded right there. Someone's taking profit from this morning. That was my order. Finally took profit. I finally took profit from my order this morning. All 1,000 contracts sold. Thanks, everybody. Oh, man. So like I said, through the 90s there, took the breakout through the 90s, up there through the 400s, that push up there to the 14s, locking it in. Ding, ding, ding. Added to that position. I saw that big seller sitting there. You know he wanted to go. So I'll take my money, money, money. That thing popped up there so quickly I couldn't even move my target higher, actually. There's your move of the day. The patience that we needed right there, baby. That patience right there, it's what we needed. So like I said, through that 90, the reason I said the 90s there, very simple. The top of that candle, bang, 90 area there, get through there, take out that 400 level. We had all that liquidity. And there's your 30-point move up now, up there to the 420s. Come on, tell me you don't love me. Tell me you don't love me. Tell me you don't love me, people. I need to be told. Somebody said, Robert said he never calls out the trade that he is taking. I didn't. I literally said, if it breaks above 90, we're going higher. I said, watch the 90s. Watch the 90s. Intro, looking for the 90s here. I don't know. One day I'll figure out how to speak English a little better. I will be better at the English, just a little bit better, and then I will be able to tell people what to do. Still working on my English skills. Nasdaq still going up there through the 20s now. The ES is lagging. Nasdaq's popping. Don't go stopping. After this level, what do we got to the upside? I mean, what, 500, 19,500 up there? Kind of, you know, realistically. Realistically. There's liquidity at the 35s now. 35 liquidity up there. 47 contracts for now. We still have not had any major pullback all morning. A little worrisome. A little worrisome. Just a little bit. But as you can see, guess what we did? Guess what we did? 15-minute range. The breakout there through the highs from the 96s. Took it all the way up there to 2750 so far. The 15-minute range. Very simple strategy. We talk all through it. Talk about the whole strategy in the course and all that fun stuff. So right now it's $200, $199. Give you a good discount. $199, make you holla. And there you go. Nasdaq still going. 15-minute range, the breakout. You know, the course, the actual value of the course is $20,000, but for my YouTube subscribers, I sell it for 99% off. Okay, I like to help out the people that help me, so. Nasdaq still just continuing to go, go, go. Up next, you got the 450 area up there. 450s to the upside there, liquidity wise. $450 liquidity on the book map, 74 contracts. At the 19,450s now. $19,450 coming up there. Watch it get hit. Oh, 45, 46s. What did I tell y'all earlier? What did I tell y'all earlier? Remember when y'all were sitting here, people were freaking out about what to do. What are we gonna do, Patrick? What do I do? Patrick, hell, what do we do? Remember? Remember that? When I told everyone, I said, just relax. We got 15-minute range coming up here. As you can see, the 15-minute range, we get the breakout there. This was such a perfect setup too. We saw all that liquidity there at the 400s. They gave us a good idea of the market going higher. They bought 1,000 contracts right there. Bang. You know? 19,400 turning into support there now and up there to the 48s. Patrick, it would be nice if you just say, yes, guys, I'm entering, so I know when to enter. How about this? I'm gonna give you a little piece of advice. If I say that I'm watching a level, right? If I say, hey, if 90 breaks, I think it's gonna go higher. That pretty much is telling you that that's exactly what I'm looking for. So you know that if 90 breaks, there's a possibility that it does go higher. And that's what I'm looking for. So now up there to the 60s. Well, right now the course is $199. You can start trading the right way, not the wrong way, the right way. We got some news coming out here at 10 o'clock. News at 10 o'clock. News at 10. News at 10. News at 10. 10, 10, 10, 10. News. Ten seconds here, 10 seconds. Market's still going. All the way up there to the 480s now. Crazy move here. Absolutely no pullback. Just straight up all morning. Market said, we gonna go do some crazy stuff today, boys. We gonna do that crazy stuff, you know, where we just gonna go straight up all morning long. That's what we gonna do, they said. First red candle maybe gonna print here. Let's see, we got like a first 1 minute candle in a while, red candle. See if this is gonna be the end of the run. Dow's pulling back. The Dow's making new lows right now. The ES is pulling back. Dow still, Nasdaq still going here. $19,500 coming up there next. Going off the charts here. There's a bunch of liquidity to the upside right now. Crazy move. That 15-minute opening range, man, you gotta love it. You gotta love it. We talk a lot about it. I go through it very in detail, what to look for, all that fun stuff in the course. Let's just say you were trading a few contracts this morning from that 15-minute opening range breakout. Just do the math on that one. From the 400s now up there to the, from the 390s now up there to the 480s. Not bad, not bad.